Greetings everyone. In this video I will be featuring ICT PhantomTrace. PhantomTrace is a pretty interesting tool because it focuses on something many traders talk about and struggle to visualize, and that's liquidity. The idea is that markets don't just move randomly. Price is often searching for areas where orders are sitting, and PhantomTrace attempts to highlight those areas on the chart. Using concepts from ICT and smart money trading, it helps traders see things like liquidity pools, market structure shifts, and imbalance areas that could influence future price movement. What I like about it is that it's less about generating buy and sell signals and more about providing context. It gives traders another way to understand what the market might be targeting and why price may be moving in a particular direction. If you already use liquidity-based concepts in your trading, this is definitely a tool worth taking a look at. Let's look at what ICT is showing us here. On the left side of the chart, price pushes above a previous high and takes out liquidity resting above those highs. In ICT terminology, that's a liquidity sweep. Many breakout traders see this as bullish, but instead of continuing higher, price quickly reverses. That's where the MSS or market structure shift comes into play. The indicator identifies that change in structure, suggesting that the market may be transitioning from bullish to bearish conditions. Later in the chart, we see the opposite happen. Price sweeps liquidity below a prior low, then quickly reverses higher. PhantomTrace marks the MSS and highlights the green zone, which represents an area where institutions may be accumulating positions after the liquidity grab. What makes this useful is that the indicator isn't simply looking for buy and sell signals, it's helping traders visualize the sequence of events. First, liquidity is taken, then market structure changes, and finally price often returns to a favorable area before continuing in the new direction. In other words, PhantomTrace helps traders focus on where the market may be hunting liquidity and where higher probability opportunities may develop afterward. All right, so it's cutting it a bit close. My trading room is going to open in less than 20 minutes, but I might have enough time. I'm very interested in this identification of buying over here. It already went quite a bit, but if there is some kind of a retracement, because yeah, they're gonna attempt all the way up here. Okay, another order block is identified here. I just need a retest of this area. If they give it to me, I'm gonna try a long. If not, then I'll try once the room closes. Yeah, they're running away, looks like. Very interested in these bullish order blocks. Maybe this area is going to give them some kind of a pullback. It's also part of my own trading plan is actually higher prices, so there is confluence there. So let's see if I can get a test of this area. Once you see those, you definitely don't want to take a short. Once you see these, that's a pretty good indication that probably we're going higher. So just a question of am I going to get any kind of a confirmation here? If they get into here, I'm just going to go long, targeting this. Yeah, I think it's good enough. I'm going to go long here. My stop would be, I guess, below this support here. And I'll try to target this area. Also kind of running against the clock. Gotta be done before I open the room. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, a little higher. A little higher. Okay, now we have an official ICT signal. So this software does generate signals. To me, the signal is not the most important thing. The value of this tool is identifying market structure and who is in control. And this tells me that buyers are in control. So signal or no signal, I'm definitely looking long. So they dig into this area a little bit, but still anything above here, as far as I'm concerned, is bullish now. And they should be attempting this zone and probably going beyond it. But as soon as they get in there, I am just going to take a profit. Here we go. Just got to be done before the room opens. Okay, there should be more trading after I close the room. All right, so we have this structure here. We have what looks like a top. I'm guessing they could be attempting this area. So yeah, let's take a short. And target could be here. Maybe a little higher, just kind of fade it a little bit. The time is 1:46, so still have some time, but I missed a couple of signals. Well, more than a couple maybe. But we have this double top. The indicator does give us resistance areas here. So this could be a target, unless, I mean, if they break through, I will definitely stop myself out. But I'm pretty confident we should see this price here. Okay, well, here it comes. I'm gonna just not be too greedy. I'm gonna take it here. So, yep. I'm going to call it a day. I still think it's gonna come to this area here, but we'll see. So I hope you enjoyed this demonstration. If you did, please leave me a like. There will be a webinar scheduled next week for this indicator, so I hope to see you all there. Thank you, everyone. I will see you next time.
Join the NinZaFamily forum to stay connected, ask questions, and explore ideas with our team and other traders. There's a lot more waiting for you inside. Links in the description. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss our latest content.